Hi, Emma. What hobbies do you enjoy doing in your free time?
Hi. I like reading books and playing the guitar.
That's great. Do you play any songs on your guitar?
Yes, I play pop songs on my guitar. It's fun.
That sounds really fun. Do you also sing while you play the guitar?
I love singing and playing together.
That's awesome. Do you ever perform for your friends or family?
Sometimes I sing for my family at home.
That's nice. What book are you reading right now?
I am reading a mystery book. It is very exciting.
Mystery books keep you guessing. Do you have a favorite author?
I like Agatha Christie. She writes good mystery books.
Agatha Christie's books are great. Do you have a favorite book by her?
Yes, I like Murder on the Orient Express. It's exciting.
I love that book too. Do you ever write your own stories?
I write short stories sometimes. Do you write too?
I write poems sometimes. What inspires your stories?
I like nature. Trees and animals inspire me.
Nature is a wonderful inspiration. Do you share your stories with anyone?
I share my stories with my friends. They enjoy them.
That's great to hear. Are your friends supportive of your writing?
They are very supportive. They always encourage me.
Having supportive friends is so important. Do you ever plan to publish your stories?
I plan to publish next year.
What kind of story will your first published book be about?
It will be a fantasy story about magical creatures.
Fantasy stories are amazing. Do you draw any illustrations for your stories?
I love drawing. I often draw for my stories.
Drawing can add so much to a story. Do you have a favorite magical creature to draw?
I love drawing dragons. They are very magical and cool.
Dragons are fascinating. Do you have any other creative hobbies?
I love drawing and painting. Do you like art?
I enjoy painting too. What kind of painting do you like to do?
I like watercolor painting. It's very relaxing for me.
Watercolor is beautiful. Do you take art classes or learn on your own?
I learn on my own. I watch videos online.